Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to remove the bottom bench seat on a RAV4 Prime. This is XSC premium package and it's got the heated seats. So if your trim's got heated seats and in the back, I'll show you. This is the video for you guys. I will also show you guys the white clip removal as well for the back bench, because sometimes they do break off and you have to replace them. So I'll show you guys how to kind of go about removing them, and also removing the cables as well in the back of the seat in case you want to put a cover, as I will do another video about that in the back seat. So the removal is actually simple yet hard at the same time. So on the right side and the left side, like at the very edge, let me show you guys here. So this is the clip, that white clip you saw earlier. That is the clip that is holding the seat down. This is the back seat. So all you need to do is actually using both hands. You can't do it with one hand. Using both hands, lift the seat up. So you have to use a significant amount of force to lift it. So both ends, right side and left side, you will have these lifts, and just lift them and they will click off, and that's it. So this is what it looks like. And also one more step you need to do is actually push down on the back seat and then pull up. So this is what the seats look like. The mechanism, that's the hook that holds on the seat into the white clip that you saw earlier. So as you can see, this goes in the white clip. Another step that you have to do, again, do both sides. So one side, right side, then the left side, or either or. And then also you have to kind of push down. As you can see, these hooks in the back, the white hook, you have to push down in the back end and then kind of slide out. It slides out. So don't try to yank it out. There are hooks at the bottom that hold these seats in the back from coming forward. So make sure you actually don't just yank it out. You push in the back, like back of the seat, and then pull out. So that's how you'll unlatch the hooks in the back. Otherwise they will. So to remove the connectors on the seat, if you have the trim package with the heated seats, you need to do is basically, there's a latch, like there's a little tab on these at the bottom, like the black end and the white end. There are little tabs. I'll show you guys with a picture, hopefully it'll be clear. And you just press on them together and basically they just pop out. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, you'll need both hands. I had to put my camera down and then cut the scene. So there are two tabs on the black and on the white clips. So I'm trying to get to that with single hand, but I can't. Trust me, it's very hard. So I had to put my camera down again to get to the white one. Go. So that one is also out. You do the same thing with the other one on the right side. So now that it's loose, as you can see, they're loose. These are the tabs that I was talking about. You just press down on them and just slide out. It's quite easy actually. To remove the connectors now, you need to actually, if you have a flathead screwdriver, you can use that, or you can, if you have fingernails, big fingernails like I did for this session, I guess, you can just use them. So basically, press down here, like this clip right here. So you can just press down on that and then pull it out. Pretty easy. And for the other one, I think it's the same. I think you just, yeah, there. Just pull it, squeeze it, and then this comes out. I probably need two hands. There you go. So both of them came out. So this is the back. So again, cables, these two cables need to come out from the right side, and these from the center one. So blue on the black and white on the white. And here are the seat belts. The hook, this hook right here, this one right here, attaches to this right here. So this right here should slide over on that. But here is the inside, if anybody's wondering what it looks like. Here's the thing, no alarms went off. My car was off. Make sure you do not have it running. It's not already on. I did not disconnect the 12 volt. I did not disconnect anything else. Basically, the car wasn't running and I was able to pull this off. No alarms, nothing, and I was able to plug them back in without an issue, if anybody's wondering. So this white clip on the back seat, if you guys need to remove it, you can remove it. Otherwise, you don't have to. But I did remove it for mine on the one side, on the right side, but not on the left side because those actually white clips go on this metal hook right here, as you can see. That's what the hook latches onto. But I wasn't able to get the seat in, so I took the right one out. So this right one, I took it out and then attached it actually to the metal hook and then put the seat back on. So let me show you guys how it's done. You need to use two flathead screwdrivers. The skinnier ones would be better. So just basically you stick them in on the two sides. As you can see here on the left side, I'm trying to do that. And on the right side as well, you do that and then you just basically pull out. So you'll need almost three hands. If you have a helper, that's great. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So there you go. After I was able to get the clip off, after a bit of struggle, I put it back on the seat, actually on the metal hook, because my seat wasn't going in. So I tried pushing it down back in after putting the seat cover on, plugging everything back in. It wasn't going in. So I decided to actually put it on the actual hook and then try to push it down. And that worked. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Please hit the like, please subscribe, much appreciated. In the next few videos I'll be talking about the different, I guess, protection or mods that I'll be putting on RAV4 Prime because the radiator is prone to hits by rocks. So I actually did put a grill or a metal mesh in front of it. So the next video probably I'll do that. I have the recordings, just need some time to finish uploading to YouTube. Thanks a lot guys. Take care. Stay safe.